Whoa, my speed is 120. Whoa! So welcome back to the channel. So in this video, my wife and I is going to a little bit of a long travel. So we're going to a place called Kandaya. Kandaya Resort is actually about 130 kilometers from where we are. It's up north of Cebu. Now, what I'm gonna be doing is an experiment or a driving experience based on the configured state of charge. You know, as we travel, we will find out how much of the battery or the SoC is going to result by the time we arrive at our destination. And then coming back or returning from Kandaya, we'll also get to get to see the gas consumption. So I'm just gonna quickly show to you. Okay, so at the moment we have fully charged the battery, and also we set the trip to 0. Let me just quickly reset everything as well. Let me go to energy. We set the regen braking to high. We want to maximize and optimize also the regen braking so that it has more energy when the battery has been recharged. Okay, we will keep the SoC at automatic. And then what else? Energy consumption stat. We're gonna clear that. We're gonna reset everything. Let me check this. Okay, I'm gonna check that everything. Okay, so everything is set to 0. Power as well here is also set to 0. We will be coming back home tomorrow. We will see what will be the results. Hopefully the result will be very, very good. And then we have about 489 kilometers worth of gas range. Okay, so we'll see in the road trip and then. Whoa, my speed is 120. Whoa!
Pindutas daan diri. Oy, oh my god. Dari nagtaligsik. Why? Yung kagsalamat man na. Oh my god, so sweet.
Sweet? Can you get the water gun?
See with the drops. Yan ka mag-horse ride. Na horse riding.
Huh?
Na pwede mo ka mag-horse ride.
Pwede?
Yes.
Okay, mag-horse riding ko. I want to experience that.
Okay. Walang ko kapapilang.
Ha?
Walang ko kapapilang.
Wala no.
What?
Pisuro no? Yung ka pisuro. Yung ka man pisuro. Sexy ati ah.
Now you know. Nga di ka charge.
Still, you should have like a charger. Charot.
Charat.
You know.
Quick check. So, SOC 26%. I have about 470 kilometers of gas range left. Let us see the fuel consumption. Let's get to energy consumption. So, Use up 2.8 liters of gas. Average speed 33. Okay. Driving time 4.2 hours. So we left around 9-ish a.m. in the morning. And then that's the consumption. Let's see. Okay, average is about 0.5 kilowatts per 100 kilometers. That's really good. And fuel consumption's 5.5 liters per 100 kilometers. That's hella very efficient. Okay, let's move on.
Alrighty, so we are now going back to Cebu. Our staycation here in Kandaya is finally over. Just one night though, so yeah, it's our one night anniversary celebration with my wife. Okay, so so when we came here, we set the SOC at automatic, and then the gas range was around 470-ish. So going back, let me just quickly. Okay. Okay, so SOC is at 23%. We have about 417 kilometer worth of gas range. Now let's go back to the settings. Energy consumption. So that's that. Now, so what we're going to do here now is we're going to set the SOC to, probably let's put it at 50%. All right. Now, save mode memory for the 50% SOC to work. Okay, so if you set the 50% and you're not going to click the save memory, it's not going to work. It's going to remain at 25% or automatic. Okay. I wonder what's going to be the results. Update you when we reach back home. Kandaya Resort. It's now 5:24 p.m. and this is what I'm going to show you. So, state of charge 21%, and then we have about 245 kilometers range of gas, and total distance traveled is 275.3. So let's take a look at the fuel efficiency and the energy efficiency. Okay, so let me just go back. When we went to Kandaya Resort, we set the SOC at auto, and we set the regen braking to high. Coming back here from Kandaya, we set the SOC at 50%. So on our way here, the traffic wasn't, I would say it wasn't a smooth one. It was really that bad. So we had to encounter, along the way, some bad traffic. Therefore, the state of charge remained between 20% to 30%. It didn't reach to 50 due to bad traffic. Now, let's go to the energy consumption. So average speed 31, that's really slow due to the bad traffic. And then, okay, so average
electricity consumption is 0.6 kilowatts slash per 100 kilometers. For the gas, we used up average of a 5.1 liters per 100 kilometer. Okay, so I let you be the judge. You do the math. If this is something that you find it really efficient or not. Okay, over here we have 1.9 liters per 100 kilometers, and for the battery is 9.6 kilowatt per 100 kilometers. That's actually not bad. Considering these numbers, that is really good for both having this hybrid mode, driving both back and forth. Right. So that's that. And then I don't know if you find this something interesting, or I don't know, more questions in regards to the figure and the numbers. So like I said, along the way, there was, at some point the driving was really smooth, and then um, along the way, midway, due to, it's not really bad traffic because we had to like overtake a few big trucks. And then when we reached to a certain town, the traffic was really bad. So we were kind of stuck for about 45 minutes or so. So therefore, that resulted the 21% battery. But from here to there, from Kandaya, the distance was around, estimated was 130 kilometers. And so overall, 275.3 kilometers. I think for that, that's really a huge significant in terms of the efficiency, both the energy, the battery, and the gas consumption. Alrighty, so that's about it. See you in the next one. Do give a like and comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. This would be, this is something that would, allow me to create more content like this one, like driving experience for our BYD Sealion 6. So that's it. Cheers and see you in the next one. Bye.